Hello friends, welcome to Math Lesson 12.4 on subtraction word problems. Before we get started, let's talk about some words we may hear today that will help us know when to subtract. When we use subtraction, it's important to know that subtraction means less. For example, I had 4 stickers, but now I have 2 less. Another word you may hear today that tells us to subtract is away. If there are 2 birds in a tree and one flies away, this means we would have less birds. Here's another word we will use today. Leave. If there are 3 friends at the playground and one friend leaves, this also means less. Let's talk about one more word as a bonus. Spend. I have $5, but I spend $3 on a new jump rope. I will have less money. Now that we've gone over a few words that tell us to subtract, such as less, away, leave, and spend, we are ready for our first problem. Take a look at this picture. How many friends do you see? That's right, there are 3. What do you notice about one of those friends? Yes, one of them is leaving. Do you remember what the word leave tells us to do in math? To subtract. First, think about how many friends are in the picture. This is our whole, and the first number I will write in my equation down here. 3. Now, since one friend is leaving, we're going to say that there's 3 friends in the room, but we're going to say take away 1. And if one friend leaves, how many friends are left over? That looks like 2. So 3 take away 1 equals 2. Okay, let's take a look at another problem here. You'll notice that there are how many friends in this picture? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to use subtraction again here because you'll notice in the picture there are 2 friends leaving the room. So that tells us 4 take away 2 equals, how many friends are staying? 2. Very good. Okay, here's another problem about puppies in a basket. You'll notice in the picture there are 3 puppies in the basket, but one takes 1 puppy out of the basket. How many puppies are left in the basket? Well, remember at the beginning of our story, we said there was 3 puppies in the basket, but one took 1 out. So 3 take away 1 equals 2. Okay, let's take a look at one more picture problem here. You're going to notice that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons. But what do you notice about these balloons? That's right, they're flying away. Do you remember what away tells us to do? That's right, subtract. So if there's 5 balloons and 4 fly away, how many balloons are left? Correct, 1 balloon is left. Great job, friends.